Good morning, welcome to your next car. Wasim here, bringing you a quick walk around this lovely F36 4 Series Grand Coupe we have it. 420i petrol on a 2018 68 reg, so it still has the remainder of the BMW warranty. Presenting mineral grey metallic. It's a one owner car from brand new with 15,000 miles. It's just had its first service with us in-house. Absolutely stunning condition paintwork, which I'll show you around, helping you make an informed buying decision. We're open for click and collect. You can still arrange finance online through our website or give us a call. Let's take a look. Double slack kidney grills, splitter. We've made the addition of these lovely 20-inch wheels with brand new tyres, sidebars, vinyl decals, privacy glass. Bodywork is totally flawless, absolutely immaculate, as you'd expect for 15,000 miles. Rear spoiler, rear diffuser. Take a look at the boot space, electric boot. Take a look at the interior. This one has the black Dakota leather. Electric lumbar support. 4 electric windows, electric mirrors. Got the gloss black trim going down the doors here. Professional widescreen sat nav. Heated front seats. 8-speed paddle shift gearbox with cruise control, multifunction steering wheel, automatic LED headlights. There you see the mileage. It's the updated iDrive. Touchscreen. Bleak weather forecast for you there as usual at this time of year. Let's take a look at the navigation map. Lovely widescreen. Got the original handbooks and manuals, both keys present. Interior is as good as the exterior. Really clean and tidy. Doesn't smell like it's been smoked in or any pets. Car's in stock, ready to go. Thank you very much for watching.